Assalamualaikum students. We are good and we are studying well as we are still in the pandemic. So I think everyone is having the online studies. So please concentrate on the chapters and the subject students, because the 11th standard is the basic building of your career. Okay, so whatever you learn, it will be forwarded in 12th standard, and from 12th standard your career will be decided by the subject you choose, the field you choose. Okay, so please see the lectures and practice the question papers. Chapter number 1, Basics of IT. What is information technology, students? We have started with the careers in IT, students. Careers in IT. Okay, so we had seen the 5 types of careers in IT. Now the next one, we are going to see the financial advisor. What is financial advisor? Sixth one. This is the sixth one, students. Should write all the 5. The one which we had seen, the web designer and developer. Designer and developer. Then next we have seen software developer. And the third one is database manager. Fourth one is your information security analyst. Fifth one is your professional accountant. This all we had seen, students. Okay, so now move to the next one. Number 6 one is the financial advisor. What are the financial advisor? So who are the financial advisor? Again, this is a career opportunity in IT. The analyst. Now here, students, financial, by the term only you can understand that it is related to money, the investment. So what the financial advisor, if they have the knowledge of IT, they can advise you and guide you in investing the money in various investment schemes with their calculation and benefits in the future. That means they will advise you that where to invest the money, how much will be the profit or the turnover, we can say the yearly or monthly or whatever. So they will guide you. They will advise you, they will guide you that where you have to invest your money, in which field, in which organization, in which department, or in which share. Getting, students? So on their skill, the IT knowledge, after getting the IT knowledge, okay, in the financial terms, okay, students, they can advise you, and according to their calculations and their whatever the knowledge, they will let you know that in which scheme you have to invest the money. Okay, and what will be the benefit in the future if you follow their advice in the terms of finance. Okay, so here what they advise and guide others in investing money. Different schemes. Okay, so like students have to go in banks, okay, or not in banks only. Now the bank people, they are always calling you for different investment policy. Sir or madam, please invest in this so and so policy. You will get so and so return of the profit and so on. Okay, so they will just calculate everything and they will advise you that where to invest. So nowadays the financial advisor opportunity is also on demand. Okay, because nowadays people want that, they just want to have more and more return, less investment and more return. So they go for the financial advisors. Okay, so this is the 6th career in IT. Now the next one is the cyber advisor. 7th one is the cyber advisor. Now what is cyber advisor, students? The cyber advisors, they play a variety of roles, students, within the cyber security field. Okay, cyber security. There are so many threats in cyber security because there are so many attackers, hackers, which they try to intrude in your system and they try to hack your personal information or the information which is beneficial for them. So they can harm you. They can make you to suffer. So here what, students, the security of the cyber is very much important. So here the cyber security people, the cyber advisor, they play both the attacker and the defender in computing system networks and the software programs. Okay, so seeing what weakness there are and figuring out how to strengthen system to prevent hacking from exploiting vulnerabilities. Vulnerability means the thing which is harmful to the system, to your system. So here what, students, so they play the role of both the attacker and the defender. Getting, students? So in this way they can just figure out that if any attacker or the hacker will attack in your system in so and so way, so what actions, defending actions you have to take. Okay, so here what, cyber advisor, so means here anyone can develop his or her career as a cyber advisor because they will provide you with all the information that how to protect your system from cyber attack. Okay, so cyber advisor are here, they act as they have so many multiple roles, students. So basically they just want to figure out from where the threat is coming and they have to protect the network system. Now the next one is the 8th one is the animator. We first just see what is animator, students. Animator is, that creating animation. Nowadays there are lots of demand is going on because the many movies are also based on animation. So an animator is an artist who creates multiple images known as frames, which gives an illusion of movement called animation when displayed in rapid sequence. Means there are small frames of photos which is called as frame, students. Now when these frames are they are displayed in a rapid movement, means the movement is very fast. So what happens, it will look like that something is moving, it is having a life. Okay, so here animators can work in a variety of fields, students, including film, television and video games. So nowadays you have seen that many animated movies are there, like this one, the Lion King also, it is a movie, okay, that is based on animation. So animator is the most demanding career nowadays, animator, to be a animator. So it is possible to become a successful animator using one's own creation and innovation with the help of software like GIMP, Inkspace, etc. So these are the few software. If you have the skill of this software, so you can become an animator. You can give animation to different objects. So you can create your own animation. Most of the cartoons are animated. Okay, so many kids, especially the kids, they used to like the movies or cartoons which is animated. Okay, I'll just show you the animation. You see. These are all animation. The animated videos, the small videos. So you can have a full guideline also on YouTube how to be an animator. So animations are there. What is animation and everything here. This is also an animation. Lecture is there. Just want to show you the are all animated movies, student, The Boss Baby, and so many are there, student. You might have watched many of the animated movies. So in this way, what the small frames, they are arranged in such a way, and they are just having a very rapid display of every image, every frame, and it looks like that something is moving, the life is there in that. So in sequence, these are displayed. So animators can work in a variety of fields too, including films also. Look here, The Boss Baby. I think you might have The Boss Baby. Yes? This is the animated movie. And The Boss Baby. This is a very favorite movie of kids. So hope you've understood what is animation and what is the task of the animator. The next one is the next career is games developer. Now games developer, nowadays the games are on trending. The students, everybody is idle in this pandemic. Instead of watching lectures of your syllabus, most of the students, they have got the mobile phone and they are just playing games. Yes, most of them. Those who are sincere, they are sincere, but those who are not sincere, they just want to, in the name of studies, they are just playing games, but actually they are spoiling themselves, not the others. So games developer student. Now here we can say this is the most trendiest and most fun jobs in this sector. Okay, a game developer gets to work on titles for consoles, computers, smartphones, tablets, and online. Means there are games for every device, because one game might be which is successfully running on this one laptop or the computer, but it is not proper or it is not supported by the mobile phone. So here we can say for every devices also there is a game. Okay, so games developer are there. So creativity and imagination are important, but the ability to work in a highly pressurized environment is also crucial, because the games developer, they have to see the every criticality of the game, that what type of game they have to develop. Most of the games are very educational, means if you have those games, it will add on to your development skill of brains. Okay, so brain skill development is done by so many different educational games, like puzzles are there, word search are there, very basic game students. The mathematical games are there, okay, the grammatical games are there. But instead of these, most of the students, they are just having the games which is harmful, which is not at all helpful for their development socially or the mentally or the physically. Okay, so games developer here, what students, the task of the game developer is to develop a game for everybody, and whether, and it is for different consoles also, whether computer, smartphone, tablet, or online games are also there, students. So creativity and imagination are important. Okay, and but here the game developer, they have to work in a very pressurized environment also. So hope you've understood this. Now the next one is the 10th one. The 10th one is the audio video editor. Again, a very good opportunity. Audio video editor. If you know how to do the editing of different audio or video, again, it's a very, you can say, the good opportunity as a career in IT. Here, as a career opportunity, students, to become an audio video editor, one should be good in tools such as Kdenlive. Okay, Kdenlive or Kdenlive, you can say anything, Kdenlive, and Audacity. These are the two tools, the software tools. So with the help of these tools, one can develop a career as a video journalist also. That means with the help of these tools, you can just edit different types of video and audio. Means if there is unwanted content, the background noise or the background, you can say the images which is not appropriate. So with the help of being an editor, you can just remove that, and you can make the video or the audio very suitable for the related topic, whichever is the topic. So audio video editors are also very much important nowadays. So these are the few careers in IT, just a few to mention, but there are lots and lots of careers are there, students, in IT. Okay, if you take things seriously, so you have to choose in whichever field you want to go. You just have to have the knowledge, the beforehand knowledge of everything. So inshallah, if you have the knowledge and you want to be a very, you can say, the professional, so you need to learn the terms, you need to learn different things to be a skilled professional. So these are the 10 careers in IT which is there in your syllabus. So hope you've understood these, students. So inshallah, in the next lecture we'll start with our another topic, that is recent trends in IT. So until then, stay safe, stay blessed, stay healthy. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.